Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahabub Alam, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Daffodil International University. Today, we are going to teach a grammar within linking words. Here, we got to show that the definition of linking words. Obviously, it has many types of definition, but in that total conclusion, we have to show it. Sentences can be extended, added on sentence to another or many more sentences. This is the product of expansion is called a compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? This is what happens when you connect the two basic sentences. If you want to connect two basic sentences, you need to use connecting words called conjunctions. Examples: basic sentence, I am very smart, and also basic sentence, I do not enjoy school. Conjunction 8. Compound sentence, I am very smart, 8. I do not enjoy school. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word that links attach word, phrase or clause. When you want to use a conjunction to join two sentences, you must use commas conjunction. There are 7 basic conjunctions called coordinating conjunctions that are used to connect two independent clauses. There are and, or, nor, but, it, so, for. Note: a coordinating conjunction usually comes in the middle of a sentence and it usually follows a comma if both sentences are not very brief. Using linking words. Because it's used when the reason is the most important part of the sentence, or utterance, because the clause usually comes at the end. Example: we cancelled the picnic because it was raining. The thief left the place because the police arrived. Though it is used to show that there are two concepts opposing each other. Example: he eventually arrived though he was very late. Although. We can use although at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. It is used in front of a clause. Example: I love Bangladesh although the weather is bad. While it is used to compare two things with what they have significant difference from each other. I shall prepare breakfast while you are having shower. Instead, this means it is the place of something or some else. Example: walk to work instead of going to car. So, wish you got to a season today. Thanks for paying attention to the class no more today. Thank you.